Basic English sentence structure. There are three types of sentences: simple, compound, and complex. The type of sentence is determined by how many clauses, or subject-verb groups, are included in the sentence. The subject is the person or thing taking an action or being described in the sentence. The verb is the action the subject takes. A simple sentence structure has one independent clause. For example, I rode my bike. A compound sentence has at least two independent clauses. For example, I got in my car, and I drove into town. A complex sentence includes an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. For example, I got in my car and then went to town. Most sentences in English are constructed using one of the following these 5 patterns. Subject plus verb. For example, Tony walks. You can add an adverb to make the sentence. Tony walks quickly. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, he is playing a piano. You can add elements to expand the sentence, such as an adjective or an adverb. He is playing the piano beautifully. Subject plus verb plus adjective. For example, he is handsome. Like the other types of sentences, you can expand on the sentence by adding other parts of speech, such as an adverb. He is very handsome. Subject plus verb plus adverb. For example, the girl walked away. Let's add in an adjective to expand the sentence. The girl slowly walked away. Subject plus verb plus noun. For example, the professor is a woman. Here we can add more elements to expand the sentence. For example, an adjective and some adverbial phrase. The professor at the university is an intelligent woman.